Okay, wow, it's been a crazy day, but I made a lunch in about 45 minutes, but it was a lot of downtime, so I was able to do other appointments. While my chicken was cooking, all I did was threw a chicken breast in there, a pot with, I threw some garlic salt on it, and then I also threw on some lemon pepper from Mrs. Dash. Then I took a quinoa and rinsed quinoa by just putting it into a cup. Took a cup of quinoa and put water on it, threw it in here, and then drained it out simply by putting my hand over it and letting it the water get out since you rinse it, otherwise it has a bitter taste, before adding it to this pot here with 2 cups of salted water. Put the quinoa in, let it come to a boil, put the top on, and boiled it for 15 minutes. And now it's ready. So I'm just gonna take a fork and see, it fluff it like rice. And then I'm going to put it in this bowl of tomato, some dill, garlic, just some veggies. Just throw it in a bowl with some veggies. And this is really more of a lunch, but it's actually my breakfast at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, that's a nice, easy lunch. Takes a while, but it's not you get a lot of downtime. Enjoy.